All right, hello YouTube. I'm going to install the Spigen glass TR Ease Fit, something like that. And I've already code opened the box here. So we're just gonna pull it out and do this live here without reading any instructions whatsoever. I imagine it is gonna look simple, but it's gonna be very, very hard. Like everything I have encountered today. So let's go ahead and see if we can get it out of the box here, because apparently it's not coming out there nice and smooth. So, all right, we have the Spigen, Ease Fit tool here. Yeah, that's the way to say it. So let's see, there's some instructions here. And I guess this is the squeegee to get the bubbles out if we need to. And this is just your second screen protector here, which I'm just gonna go ahead and throw off to the side. So let's take a look at the manual. Apparently we need to clean the phone. Then take the back film off, which should be right there. Yep, says the word back. Let me get this a little higher here. And a little bit more, just right there. And it says the word back. And then we fit the tray onto the phone, as you can see right there. And then we just gotta press and slide. All right, that seems to be the not too complicated part. This looks pretty simple. All right, let's go ahead and turn this phone off. Really quick here, the 15 Pro Max. And let's go ahead and slide the power of that off here. So the first thing we're gonna do is clean this. Clean. How are we gonna clean? All right, there it is. It's in the box. Who would have guessed? Okay. It looks like they put it in a nice little squeegee thingy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this off camera here, but I imagine the first thing, actually, you know what, I'm gonna do it on camera. You know what I mean? I just wipe it with the microfiber cloth. Even though I just took this phone out of the box, it has so much dust here already. So I'm just gonna do a little wiping here. Just maybe kind of make sure I don't bring it back here. All right. And I'm just gonna place that right there. Take a look at the screen. Yeah, there's still just a tiny bit. Maybe I can just, Oh yeah, they're looking much better. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna really need the lens screen and cleaning wipe here, but I probably should. Dust removing, oil cleaning, quick drying, fingerprint removing. Let's go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the, where's the drying wipe? I see the dust, you know, it's quick drying. There's no drying thingy. Okay, I guess it's just a cleaning wipe. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and use the cleaning wipe here, because apparently there is no drying wipe as far as I can see. And there's two wipes here, so obviously you need one for the second screen protector. So I'm just gonna go ahead and really don't need this since it's like a brand new 15 Pro Max and I haven't really done anything to it, but you never know. Just gonna go ahead and wipe this out. Feeling good here. I guess I'm just gonna use the microfiber cloth they provide to, I mean, it's supposed to be quick drying, it says it, but like, come on, Spigen. Like, what am I supposed to do? Wait here for it to dry? Do you want me to blow on it? Maybe you got it hidden in here. Maybe I should, no, okay, there's nothing in there, guys. Yeah, so it's wet. Okay, we'll just, you know, quick drying, yeah. All right, that's enough. But just, yeah, if there's anything on there, then just whatever. So, all right, we've cleaned it. We're gonna now take this microfiber cloth here. Again, apparently, and just wipe it. All right, so scratch what I've just did. We probably want to use the cleaning wipe first and then the microfiber cloth since they don't really have a drying thingy majigger. I swear they included those in the box, but I could be totally wrong. And then maybe you're supposed to use this microfiber cloth. I don't even know what I'm wiping anymore. There's like nothing on there. So we're gonna use the sticker to make sure we don't have any more dust. So let's go ahead and use the sticker here. So it shouldn't require too much. Just just go around the phone, I would presume. And you want to make sure you do this really right, because you don't want any dust under there, and then you're going to have a bubble and it's going to be on your phone forever. And you'll probably forget about it, but then one day you'll remember and you're just like, ugh. So let's just like not have any regrets and just kind of, yeah, looking good. Oh man, why? What's okay? I don't see anything, guys. Yeah, so that looks good. So yeah, I think we're ready for the screen protector. So let's go ahead and get that installed here. I just really want to make sure I don't see a thing. Not a darn thing. Okay, let's go ahead and put this down. And we're gonna go ahead and remove the back here. So they said to go ahead and peel this off, like so. Make sure not to touch it like I did, and just peel the back there. And then you want to go ahead and, so top right there. And then yeah, of course, bottom's the bottom. So we're just going to go ahead and put this on here. Okay, how did they do it? Like, okay, yeah, you're supposed to push down and stuff, but like, what's happening here? Oh, okay, you actually gotta, okay, just not be afraid to lay it down in there, I guess. All right, and then now we just got to press and slide. So which direction? Just both like this? Yeah, okay, let's do it like that. Just, yeah, a little according to the manual, just kind of doing both ways here. And then wait 30 seconds. Okay, we'll wait 30 seconds here. Yeah, I'm just like over sliding it here. So let's give it about 30 seconds here. So yeah, I don't have really a stopwatch here. And the one that has a built-in app with it currently has this screen protector on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and be right back. I'll stop the recording, see you guys in 30. All right, Blake from the future here. It's definitely been 30 seconds. In fact, it looks like it's been a minute. So it's telling me I need to remove from here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this here. And then just like the manual here, which I just put off the side, yeah, we just gotta do that. So I'm just gonna, and like that. All right, and then we're supposed to remove the screen protector, so. Okay, well, it is on there like pretty good, as you can see. It's like, it's got some like clips. So I'm just gonna, like so, yeah, like that. There it is. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. So then we gotta remove the protection film. So remove the protection film, and it goes in one direction from the top. Probably gonna use this one right here. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Oh God, no, please don't tell me. No way, no way. Oh man, no way. All right, well, I may have gotten some dust on her there, which, I don't know, we'll see. I mean, it says to use the squeegee to get the bubbles out. I only see like two, like 2 bubbles there. You guys can see it, yeah, see. So I'm just gonna squeeze it out. Wow, that squeegee's awesome, okay. It's got like a microfiber cloth at the end of it. Yeah, wow, I squeezed it all out. Like, what is this? It's like this is nice. Okay, so, all right. That's pretty good. Man, did I really get all this dust on it? Nah, no way. No way. All right, well, apparently I somehow still got dust under the screen protector maybe. But yeah, it squeegeed all out. Looks perfectly fine. Probably gonna need to do a take 2, but gosh, there's no way, no way. All right, I'll be right back. Actually, no, in fact, this ends it, guys. It was fun. That's how you kind of install the Spigen screen protector, even without really reading the instructions. It was pretty simple. I just don't understand it's quick drying, but I felt like there's supposed to be like some type of dry cloth, but no, I just guess use the microfiber cloth. So again, you guys want to use the cleaning wipe first, and then the microfiber cloth, and then sticker it up. And I eyeballed it, I didn't see any dust, but I may have gotten some dust underneath here, maybe somehow putting the screen protector on. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I am back with the screen protector here, and yeah, the dust was actually dust on top. So no, there's no dust underneath but the clarity of this thing is, wow, I just don't notice really a difference at all. I don't notice any difference. Same thing with the actual touch. No, I mean, it's like there's not even a screen protector on there. Like on my previous phone, that also had a Spigen screen protector. Like, I notice it. You can see it. This one is like almost as if it's part of the phone. Like you just don't see it, whereas you can see it on the other one here. So this one also has a Spigen screen protector, and you could just... Gosh, how do I do this? Like, yeah, let's just power off this one, or yeah, let's just power it off because of the always on display here. I don't want to even mess with that right now. Yeah, let's just do it on the other phone here. And I just really want to show you guys what I'm talking about here. So you can see, it's like, oh, I see the difference, what they're doing there. Obviously, not only is there a smaller bezel on the iPhone 15 Pro Max here, but as you can see, they don't, on the Spigen, the older one for the 13 Pro Max, they don't cover the actual Face ID module here, whereas this one is fully covered by the glass, so it's like the screen protector is not even there. And then it's just so, like, it is just so to the end there. It just gives you just enough room for the case that it's like it's not even a screen protector stuck on there, whereas this one's very noticeable. I mean, you could even see it around the, it's probably because it has a bigger bezel, so it's got a, it has more space here that it doesn't need to cover. But yeah, it's totally, this one you notice there's a screen protector on it. This one, it's like, it's wow, look, you can see it's just like part of the phone. It doesn't even look like there is one on here. And the clarity in the touch response, like I don't notice any difference in the clarity here on the 15 Pro Max. I didn't never notice a clarity issue on the 13 Pro Max with the Spigen screen protector here. So yeah, guys, I highly recommend it. Get it, easy to install. Make sure no dust, even though that wasn't the case here for me. Make sure there's no dust under there. Stick it, use that sticker really good. So you guys don't get any dust in there. If not, you're gonna have a really bad time because you don't want a constant dust staring at you there. But all right, guys, if you again like the video, please like, and then also subscribe if you guys want more. But you guys have a wonderful day, and stay safe out there.